It's really great to be down here in Ellendale and looking at the Applied Digital project. You have a massive scale infrastructure project coming into a small community in North Dakota, which is going to require workforce, which is going to require housing. Applied Digital has made it easy. We stood up the Our-Wish program. They have not just come in to build a building, they've come in to be a part of the community.
If it weren't for Our-Wish, this project wouldn't have been able to happen. The way we can move as fast as we do is we have to build off-site. A huge portion of the project and the homes are built in a factory, and then we can deliver them on-site and finish them up, and they're every bit as good as if it was done a different way. I think the combination of all the parties working together creates a really replicable solution to rural workforce housing.
You have this challenge because you have your construction costs, which are equal to what's happening in larger communities, but you maybe don't have the same valuations and appraisals. And the Our-Wish program was really created to provide a formula for a public-private partnership that would bring together the state, the community, and a private sector company to really address the housing challenges that come with a fast-growing community.
Government needs to be able to come in and be able to connect the dots if possible. If the community doesn't want to do it, we can't lead it. We can't do it for anyone, but we can come in and listen. And that's probably the most important part.
When I started in Ellendale, North Dakota a couple of months ago, I was able to get to go out to the housing project and see everything before any type of construction had started. I stood on the grass that was going to potentially be constructed into 20 new houses. And I was able to just sit there and take all of that in and understand that the impact that we're bringing to this community is going to be such a positive experience, not only for Applied Digital, but for the community itself.
We're lucky. This was not something that we could have done in and of ourselves. We were fortunate that a company said, this is a place I want to be, and they chose our community to be a part of it. We will be a thriving community well into the 22nd century because of what is happening here today. And I hope that people who come after me look at this and say it all started because we were willing to open up our minds and our hearts and our community to someone from the outside and partner with them to be able to make a stronger, more lasting impression in our community.
So what's next for Applied Digital in North Dakota? The first thing is we've got approval for 530 megawatts to construct here in Ellendale. We're laser focused on that and getting that done. We've had an excellent experience here in North Dakota, both at the local, county, and state level. Contractors have been excellent. Workers have been great. We're very excited about North Dakota, and we'd love to see some future expansion here, but right now it's all about getting this current project done.
I think with a project like this, it really is just the beginning. One, it will show other communities the model, which is great. But two, even in this area, when you bring something of this scale in, you're going to bring in restaurants, you're going to bring in other small businesses, you're going to have a community that gets younger, has more kids in school. That's a recipe for growth, and it's a fantastic thing for South Central North Dakota.
When you really think about the future of our small communities, it's these types of projects that revitalize not just this community, but they really help to revitalize this particular segment of the state and drive job creation within their region.
By using this opportunity and building a great strategic plan that actually flows into implementation, it'll be one of those top-notch models that we can take to other communities who say, hey, we want to grow. We're ready to grow. We're ready to take rural areas and go to the next steps. And so using Ellendale and Applied Digital, we're going to have something that can be replicated.
It's ignited a new fire in Ellendale. They've brought a sense of positivity to what a small town can be and what our small town can be.